Rock Jewelers, timeless jewelry for generations.
Welcome to Glam and Shine with Rashmi Bedi. Our guest today is very famous Bollywood numerologist Shweta Jamani. Welcome to the show, Shweta ji. How are you?
Fine, thank you, Rashmi.
Thank you so much. Actually, मैं आपको सबसे बड़ा thank you बोलना चाहती हूँ from our viewers from all over USA and Canada because you have taken off your time for our show and you are here to help them out because I know आपका तो सफ़र Bollywood, Hollywood, cricketers, businessman, everybody is connected with you. चाहे एकता कपूर जी, अनिल कपूर जी हैं, अंबानी हैं, सबके नाम ले सकते हैं. एंड आज हमारे एक आम लोगों के लिए भी आज आपने वक्त निकाला उसके लिए बिग थैंक यू टू यू. तो आई रियली वांट टू नो कि न्यूमरोलॉजी का हमारी लाइफ में क्या रोल रहता है. लाइक आई नो हमें एस्ट्रोलॉजी का तो बहुत सुना है, वास्तु पता है, बट वी आर नॉट दैट मच अवेयर ऑफ न्यूमरोलॉजी. सो प्लीज लेट अस नो अबाउट दैट साइंस प्लीज.
न्यूमरोलॉजी इज जस्ट प्लेन सिंपल नंबर्स. हमारी जिंदगी शुरू होती है माँ के पेट में, जहां पर से गिनती शुरू हो जाती है. कितने महीने हुए, फिर बच्चा पैदा होता है, उसके बाद उसको एक नंबर दिया जाता है हॉस्पिटल में. बर्थ सर्टिफिकेट के ऊपर नंबर आता है और डेथ सर्टिफिकेट के ऊपर नंबर आता है. एवरीथिंग इज अ नंबर. भगवान ने 365 दिन दिए हैं हमें गिनती के. 1 मिनट में 60 सेकंड दिए हैं, गिनती की सांसें दी हुई हैं. सो इट इज वेरी ब्यूटीफुल एंड अ वेरी सिंपल साइंस. इस साइंस में क्या होता है कि आपका एक डेट ऑफ बर्थ होता है. ये तो खैर हमारे कंट्रोल में है नहीं व्हाट डेट वी आर बोर्न, लेकिन हमारा जो नाम होता है उसको हम हेरफेर करते हैं. जैसे मैंने SHWETA के बदले मैं खुद SWETTA लिखती हूँ. मेरे फादर बंसीलाल एम जुमानी सबसे बड़े फ्लॉप थे. उनको जिंदगी में कुछ काम धंधा था नहीं, जो करते थे जहां हाथ डालते थे फ्लॉप हो जाते थे. लक बाय चांस कुछ किताबें उनके हाथ में आई एंड ही स्टार्टेड रीडिंग एंड 35-40 इयर्स तक उन्होंने वो किताबें पढ़ी और मैं उनके गोद में बैठे बैठे कब सीख गई, मुझे कब आने लगा, मुझे कुछ भी आइडिया नहीं है. एंड सडनली कहो ना प्यार है हैपेंड. कहो ना प्यार है होने के लिए भी उसमें आप देखोगे नाम में 2 ए है और प्यार में 2 ए है. आज तक ऋतिक रोशन ने वो रिकॉर्ड नहीं तोड़ा है जो कहो ना प्यार है में उन्होंने किया था. एंड दैट वाज द फर्स्ट ब्रेक वी गॉट इनटू बॉलीवुड. उसको पाने के लिए दिल से एंड सो मेनी अदर मूवीज, मेरे फादर को वो जो उनके फ्रेंड थे मिस्टर नथानी, he used to give them, तू इतनी बकवास करता है, मेरे को पता दिल से कैसे जाएगी. My father said this movie is not going to do well. दिल से कुछ उम्मीद मत करना, ये कुछ खास नहीं करेगी. एंड वो हंस के गया मेरे फादर के फेस के ऊपर कि डोंट बी स्टूपिड, इट इज नॉट पॉसिबल कि मनी रत्नम एंड गुलजार साहब की पिक्चर या रहमान की म्यूजिक कभी गलत जा ही नहीं सकती है. सेम थिंग माय फादर सेड फॉर बादशाह आल्सो कि ज्यादा उम्मीदें मत करना. तो ऐसे कर करके उनको जरा विश्वास आया कि शायद पापा सही कह रहे हैं. एंड ही गेव हिम दिस टाइटल कहो ना प्यार है विदाउट नोइंग कि राकेश रोशन जी है उसमें क्या है. माय फादर डिडंट नो एनीथिंग. माय फादर सेड ये एक दिन पिक्चर नहीं चलेगी, नाम में एक ए डाल, प्यार में एक ए डाल. वहां से शुरुआत हुई. एंड आप ऑलरेडी जानते हो एकता कपूर जी को, शी इज अ सुपर डुपर सुपरस्टिशियस वुमन एंड बिकॉज ऑफ हर शी केप्ट हंटिंग फॉर माय फादर. कहानी घर घर की, कोशिश एक आशा, कसौटी जिंदगी की एक बार, फिर कसौटी जिंदगी की दूसरी बार, वंस अपॉन अ टाइम इन मुंबई. आप जानते हो एकता जी आज तक मेरे ब्रदर संजय भी जुमानी से पूछे बगैर कुछ भी काम नहीं करती हैं. So all she makes sure that the titles are coming on a good number. Then we have got सलमान खान जी को आप देखिए, he is one of the 3 Khans. But जब तक दबंग में डबल जी नहीं लगाया था तब तक he did not become the great star he became after that. एक तो वहां डबल जी आ गई, बिग बॉस में डबल जी आ गई और बॉस के जैसे बिग बॉस बिग बॉस बिग बॉस हर साल he is रूलिंग. So spellings हमारी जो होती है, it comes to a, it is not coming to a good vibration, तो बहुत कुछ गड़बड़ हो सकता है. अजय देवगन को आप देखिए, एक ए हटाते ही एक के बाद एक उन्होंने आपको 100 करोड़ की फिल्म्स दी हैं, एंड अभी लेटेस्ट उन्होंने आपको तानाजी दिया है. सो जो भी होता है स्पेलिंग चेंज के बाद बहुत अच्छा होता है. यहाँ पर आई वुड लाइक टू टेक अ चांस टू टेल अबाउट रणबीर कपूर.
जी सर.
एवरीबडी नोज, बर्फी में देख के हम सब जान रहे हैं कि उनकी एक्टिंग कैपेसिटी क्या है. रॉकस्टार में हमने उनको देखा है, बट रणबीर कपूर वहां नहीं है जहां हम चाहते हैं वो होना चाहिए. तो हियर इज अ वेरी गुड टिप फॉर यू रणबीर. प्लीज ऐड रणबीर आर कपूर. ऋषि जी का एक आर वहां आप डाल देंगे तो बस फिर आप देखिए बॉलीवुड पे छा जाएंगे.
क्या
यहाँ
बात
पर मेरे को एक और मेरा किस्सा याद आ गया.
जी.
I was the first one to say much before the release of Kabir Khan
Okay.
that it is going to be Shahid Kapoor's biggest hit and it's going to be a very good movie for him. Or at least 6 months before I have made this prediction, it's on YouTube. और YouTube की बात निकली है तो I would like you all, क्योंकि आपकी audience थोड़ी मेरे लिए नई है. I'm doing a live show on America for the first time.
Yeah.
So I would like to tell them to like my Facebook page, Instagram, सब social media पे हम लोग हैं. YouTube मेरा जरूर आप like कीजिए, सब्सक्राइब कीजिए. बहुत अच्छे वीडियोस में डालती हूँ about numerology. My spelling is SWETTA जुमानी. ये आप गूगल करेंगे आपको मिल जाएगा, YouTube पे आपको मिल जाएगा. So numerology is a lovely and beautiful science जो थोड़ा सा हेर फेर करके आदमी कहाँ से कहाँ पहुंच जाता है.
That's
बहुत
so
जबरदस्त
nice
चेंजेस होते हैं.
and so informative. It's really great to know that, you know. मुझे लगता है कि भारत में तो इतने हमारे knowledgeable people हैं, like, and so many fields are there, astrology, वास्तु, numerology, and मुझे पता है कि कोई भी वक्त को रोक नहीं सकता, लेकिन उसके solutions, remedies आने से उसका इफेक्ट कम किया जा सकता है and lot of things can be done.
बारिश में आप छतरी लेके जाते हो ना, ये थोड़ी बोलते हो कि मौसम बारिश का है तो भीगना ही पड़ेगा.
जी बिल्कुल.
रेनकोट लेते हैं, छतरी लेते हैं, कोशिश करते हैं कि हम पूरे के पूरे ना भीग जाएं. सो ये साइंसेस ही सब कुछ है. एंड एज यू सेड, यस, इंडिया में आर्यभट्ट जी ने जीरो तो इंडिया से ही दिया था.
बिल्कुल.
फिर हमारी साइंस फॉरेन गई, पॉलिश होके आई, एंड दोबारा फिर मेरे फादर ने यहाँ पर उसको रिवाइव किया है ये एक्चुअली इंडियन साइंस ही. लेकिन हम लोग स्पेलिंग्स में जो चेंजेस करते हैं, इंग्लिश में जैसे रश्मि है तो इंग्लिश में जो आप लिखते हो उसके अंदर हम चेंजेस करते हैं. सो लिटिल बिट स्पेलिंग चेंजेस. एंड चाहे क्रिकेटर्स हो, आप जितने भी क्रिकेटर्स को देखो लकी नंबर की जर्सी पहनते हैं. अभी अंबानी जी की बात करते हैं. अंबानी जी ने 3 कप्स जीते हैं मुंबई इंडियंस के लिए आफ्टर एडिंग लिटिल गोल्ड इन हिज यूनिफॉर्म. मिस्टर एंड मिसेस मुकेश अंबानी दोनों आर बोर्न ऑन नंबर 1. So we suggested them के ब्लू तो अच्छा कलर है लेकिन थोड़ा गोल्ड डाल दोगे, एंड दे हैव लिफ्टेड 3 कप्स. शाहरुख खान की टीम ने, आपको याद है, काला और गोल्ड पहन के सिर्फ रोया ही करते थे शाहरुख खान बाथरूम में बैठ के. लेकिन आफ्टर ही चेंज्ड इनटू पर्पल एंड गोल्ड, मैंने सुना है एटलीस्ट केकेआर के पास अंबानियों के मुंबई इंडियंस से ज्यादा पैसा है. आई डोंट नो हाउ फार दैट इज ट्रू, दो मुकेश जी इज द रिचेस्ट इंडियन. लेकिन यहाँ पर शाहरुख खान की टीम इज रिचेस्ट बिकॉज पर्पल इज द कलर ऑफ वेल्थ. तो पर्पल एंड गोल्ड करते ही उन्होंने भी खैर 2 कप्स तो जीते ही जीते. दैट्स नॉट अ स्मॉल थिंग.
We have one caller. Shall I take a call?
Yeah, sure.
Yes, you are live with Shweta ji.
Yeah, this is about your live for
Yeah.
Shweta Jnani.
Yeah, you can talk to her. We'll need your name and date of birth and your question, please.
Yeah, my name is Sharda Chandwani. This is SHARDA, and surname is Chandwani. This is CHANDWANI, and my date of birth is 7th of September 1987.
Yeah, what would you like to know?
What is your question?
My question is, in last 3 to 4 years, there's been my life has turned complete upside down. I lost my parents. I've lost a lot of things in life. Are there anything that's going to change your mind? Name is a problem. What is the problem? I don't know. This last 3 to 4 years have been the most difficult part of my life.
Now, Sharda, where are you calling from?
I'm calling from Pune, India.
Oh, you're from Pune
Wow.
only.
Yeah.
Now, I'm sitting in Pune, you are sitting in
Shweta
Pune,
ji,
and
your
we are
fans are still awake and they are looking forward to see you live on My Dream TV USA.
we are meeting via USA. So Sharda Chandwani, CHANDWANI, AWNI लिखती हो कि DA लिखती हो? चंदवानी।
It's CHANDWANI.
हाँ, वो एक A हटा दो, make it CHANDWNI.
एक
आप
मिनट.
A हटा दीजिए, that's what she's saying, and then it's going to be better for you.
Yeah, and signature में आप करिए C.
My last name.
Yeah, last name, हाँ जी, last का आप वो A हटा दीजिए. Thank you.
Yeah, every day आप बैठ के C शारदा लिखिए. Your signature will be C space शारदा. इसको 24 बार रोज लिखिए. तो आपके अंदर you will try to see the difference. Now see, ये सब जो दुर्घटनाएं होती हैं ये तो होने वाली हैं. आप अपनी बात कर रहे हो, पूरे वर्ल्ड में क्या हो रहा है? Everybody is in a mess. Big businesses have fallen, and we are all restarting again. So we will restart your life, Sharda, with a new spelling, C Sharda.
Okay.
Okay?
Perfect. Yeah, she is watching our show and I've texted her the details. She can check there. And आपके तो fan following इंडिया की भी बहुत लंबी है. We have so many questions. Non-stop viewers. You can call on 732-791-6546. Yeah, and Shweta ji will answer your call. She's here with us. So Shweta ji, I want to ask you one thing कि how is astrology, अगर जैसे कुछ लोग होते हैं जिन्हें टाइम नहीं पता होता, बर्थ टाइम, और वो अपनी पत्री नहीं दिखा पाते हैं, so how much it can be a help for them, because मुझे लगता है न्यूमरोलॉजी में आप डेट ऑफ बर्थ और नेम बोल रही हैं, उसमें आप टाइम नहीं मांगते, राइट?
नहीं,
So
देखिए, अगर आप एस्ट्रोलॉजी की जहां तक बात करते हैं, अगर टाइम जिस वक्त बच्चा पैदा होता है, ना माँ होश में होती है, डॉक्टर स्ट्रेस में होता है, किसी घर में कोई बड़ा होगा जो बहुत पर्टिकुलर है, वो एग्जैक्ट टाइम नोट करेगा.
जी
5-10 मिनट तो गड़बड़ हो ही सकती है.
जी
सो टाइमिंग डज नॉट मैटर. हमारे में हम लोग सिर्फ बर्थ डेट देखते हैं. रात को 12 बजे के बाद दिन चेंज होता है, तो रात को 12 बजे से नेक्स्ट रात को 12 बजे तक अगर आप पैदा हुए हैं किसी भी वक्त, तो यू बिलोंग टू दैट पर्टिकुलर डेट.
ओके
जहां तक बर्थ डेट ना होने की बात है,
जी जी
my own mother doesn't know her birth date, so we have just kept her name on a lucky number. तो हम लोग क्या करते हैं, आपकी स्पेलिंग को हेरा फेरी करके एक लकी नंबर पे लेके आते हैं. स्पेलिंग ऊपर नीचे कर लेते हैं, जैसे अजय देवगन जी ने की है. आयुष्मान खुराना, नो डाउट ही इज अ गुड एक्टर,
या
लेकिन मुझे नहीं लगता है कि उसके स्पेलिंग में इतने चेंजेस नहीं होते, तो he could have reached there so easily. He has got an easy life and we all know it. राजकुमार राव, आपको पता है, जैसे ही डबल एम डाला,
जी
he got national award for Shahid.
Yeah, of course, bilkul. So let me take few calls. I have a caller. Just hello. Yes, you're live with Shweta ji. Yeah.
Hello, Rashmi ma'am. This is
Yes.
Ruchi Arora from Delhi.
Yeah.
I would like to ask something, ma'am.
Sure. Her name is Ruchi Arora. And your date of birth,
I'm
please.
from Delhi, 5th August 1973.
5th of August 1973. And what is your question, Ruchi?
Ma'am, and I was born in Indore city, and right now I'm residing in Delhi.
Okay.
Ma'am,
What
I
would
would
you like to
know
know?
my professional growth and about my children also. I would like to know. But first question is about my professional growth and my health.
You don't have children?
She has children. She want to know about her children and her future growth in her work professionally.
What do you do, Ruchi?
I'm a teacher, ma'am. I'm a teacher. I'm a mathematics teacher in a very renowned school and of Delhi. And I would like to know my future prospects.
See, if you are a teacher, before consulting me, you have to become the owner of a couple of schools after consulting me. ठीक है?
Wow.
तो ये मेरी बात को तुमको पूरा करना है कुछ सालों बाद. Of course, hard work करना पड़ेगा.
Ma'am, can you repeat what she's focused?
Yeah. She's saying just
Keep the
listen to her.
phone.
Yeah.
She can hear it on live. You can keep the
Yeah,
phone.
you can
and tell her to
check
listen.
on live also. Yeah. Yeah.
So Ruchi, you have to of course work hard. वो hard work के बगैर कुछ नहीं है. लेकिन मैं जो भी बातें करती हूँ, I talk with experience. I have got a lady who told me I don't have money to run my business. Next year she comes and she tells me she has opened another couple of more. तो ये सब चीज मैं कर चुकी हूँ पिछले 18 साल से फेस टू फेस आई एम डूइंग. Of course, all these guys are from India, Delhi, Pune, जो भी है, लेकिन आपके यहाँ के जो लोग हैं, they can always consult me online. We are आजकल तो वैसे भी हम लोग Skype meetings ही कर रहे हैं, thanks to Corona जी. We are not having face to face consultations. So रुचि तुमको ऐसा करना है कि RUCCHI double C डालते ही now रुचि अरोरा comes to number 33, which is a very lucky number that totals to 6. ये नाम चारों तरफ से चेंज कीजिए. फिलहाल बी इन द सेम प्रोफेशन क्योंकि मार्केट का हाल खराब है. नोबडी नोज व्हाट टू डू विद जॉब टू टेक. आपको जो भी अच्छे प्रेस्टिजियस स्कूल में जॉब है फिलहाल वो कंटिन्यू कीजिए. स्टॉप वेयरिंग रेड एंड ब्लैक एंड maroon and all those colors. Being a number 5, you should always be wearing light shades of all colors except red and black. और जितना हो सके white, yellow, orange, blue आपको पहनना है. एंड ये नाम चारों तरफ चेंज भी करना है बैंक, पासपोर्ट, पैन कार्ड में. और रुचि अरोरा आपको 24 टाइम्स रोज इसको लिखना है. सो बाय राइटिंग एवरी डे उसका पावर निकलते जाता है. सो फॉर 6 months राइट रुचि अरोरा रोज 24 बार लिखिए विद अ डबल सी एंड यू विल सी. पहली चीज आपको एक महीने में आएगी पीस ऑफ माइंड. दिस अगेन आई एम टेलिंग यू विद अ लॉट ऑफ एक्सपीरियंस. मोस्ट ऑफ माय क्लाइंट्स कम एंड टेल मी थैंक यू श्वेता जी, ये सब कर करके माइंड शांत हो गया है. So once we are happy from within, बाहर सब अच्छा ही होता है.
Of course, Ruchi, you must be watching our show. You can see live because I have a caller from Illinois. So let me take her call. Hello.
Hello.
Yes, you're live with Shweta ji.
Hello, ma'am. My question is for my husband.
Yeah.
His name is Rahul Garg.
Rahul?
Rahul Garg. RAHUL Garg. Am I right?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
His date of birth is 4th September 1991.
4th September 1991.
Yeah.
Okay.
I would like to
What
know
is your birthday?
Excuse me, you're asking?
Alan's
She wants to know about his career.
No, I know, but I want to know her birth date also.
Can we have your birth date also, please?
Yes, it's 13 November 1992.
13 November 1992. 1 second.
It's a love marriage. It's a love marriage. What's your marriage date?
It's December 12th, 2017.
December 12th,
Okay.
What's
What
the
would you
year?
like to know about your husband?
2017.
2017. Okay.
What would you like to know? What are you worried about?
What are you worried
I would
about?
like
She's
to
asking.
know about his career and any game suggestion because I think his luck doesn't favor him that much. And we really want if we can change his name and get some benefits through it.
Can you repeat, Rashmi? Because I couldn't hear her.
She's saying about her future. She's concerned, like that is what her main
No,
focus
but
is.
what is he doing right now?
What is he doing right now?
He's a quality engineer.
Quality engineer.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, he's in a job.
He's in a job. Yeah, he's working.
4th September is also the birthday of Rishi Kapoor ji. He was also born on the same date.
Okay.
Now, being a good human being is not only the only requirement to live in today's world. Rahul is a very good human being with a very not so luck factor is missing over here. So all people who are born on dates making 4 and 8, they struggle a little bit more than others. See, there are 9 numbers.
Yeah.
All are different. Sabzi we are making, we are putting so many masalas. So if we put excess of mirchi, we cannot eat. But if we don't put mirchi, can we eat? So similarly, 4 and 8 को we can say mirchi. थोड़ी ज़्यादा हो जाती है तो फिर people don't want it.
Yep.
So exactly ऐसा हो जाता है इन दोनों के साथ and they both are also again number 4. So in future, I see him doing business. For now, what is the main thing which I'm going to give you is a new Rahul. RAHOUL you have to do and keep Garg as it is. If you are a citizen of America already, then it will be very easy for you to change your name. I don't think that you are going to have any major problem. If you are still waiting for green card or whatever, then don't change officially. लेकिन रोज RAHOUL लिखना शुरू करो. Wear a lot of blue. All the people who are born on dates making 4 and 8 should go to Hanuman temple every Saturday. And sometimes if you're not able to go, don't worry, close your eyes and sit down. Hanumanji will give you darshan himself. But do pray to Hanumanji, all those who are born on dates making 4 and 8.
Okay. Oh my God. We have so many calls, so many callers now. It's difficult to handle. Yes, you're live with Shweta ji.
Hello, hi, ma'am. How are you doing?
Fine, thank you. Your name, please.
My name is Anant Kumar, ma'am. I'm calling from Burlington, Canada.
Okay, great. Anant Kumar. What's your birth date?
What's your birth date?
My birth date is 27 July 1997.
27 July 1997.
What do you want to know, Anant?
What do you want to know?
So basically, my grandmother, she uses Grover as her surname, and I wanted to change it to Grover too. Like, I want to spell my name as ANENT and then Grover. So
Anant Grover. Okay.
Group. So I just wanted to know that if it works in my benefit or not.
It will work, but you will have to make an extra A in the Grover. How do we add an extra? No, I can give you, but it will be very funny. So what I recommend, stick to Anand Kumar with a double R.
You can stick to Anand Kumar with a double R, she's saying.
That will really help you. What sports are you fond of? What sports do you play from childhood?
What
Sorry,
sport? What sport you play from your childhood?
Sport, I play football. Like, I still play football.
Good. Keep that up all life. Keep it up. You have to maintain a exercise routine all your life, according to your date of birth.
Okay.
Okay. So add a double R instead of Grover. It will be better for you.
Okay. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you so much, ma'am.
Hello. Yes, you're live with Shweta ji.
Hello, my name is Shweta Nanda.
What's your name?
Hello?
Shweta?
My name is Shweta Nanda. Spelled SW
SW
EA
THA. Shweta.
Okay. Just let me.
Shweta, and the surname is Nanda.
NONDA.
Yes.
And your date of birth?
Is 6 June
6 June
1989.
1989.
Calling from where?
There are actually.
So what is your question?
Sorry, I'm not.
What's your question?
My question is I have a family problem, like my marriage problem is there, so I'm not able to get whether to the person who I'm got married is it right or not, because there are a lot of problems. He is not.
Okay, we got your point. Your family and marriage issue, and
I
I'll take another call. You can see the answer of your life, so you can check.
I need a husband's birthday.
Oh, what's your husband's birthday?
It is 30th of July.
30th July.
19.
It has been a love marriage, no, Shweta?
Is it a love marriage? Yeah.
No, it's
It is a love marriage.
It's arranged
It is
marriage,
a,
she's saying.
Is it arranged? Okay. In spite of that, I really don't see divorce happening easily. So you have to make sure to somehow, आजकल बच्चे लोग have become very, very impatient. See, 89 and 90 they are born means she's just 30 years old.
Yeah.
And you just cannot get married, and especially arranged marriage, and you expect to have a very beautiful life. It's not like that. You have to put in effort in every marriage. Frankly speaking, Shweta, I do not see any divorce happening.
It's going to be fun.
You two, here I would like to give tips for everybody, whether you're having a problem with your family members, husband, wife, whatever. 24 number, write on a piece of paper and paste it on the south wall of your bedroom, living room, car, scooter. See, I write like this over here below my thumb, 24 number. You all guys also should write. It's a very lucky number.
I do that. 24 number, I do that every day. I write it on my thumb.
Very good. Below the thumb and paste it on the south wall of your bedroom. This is the best match for you. Please do not think of a divorce. Somehow adjust, live with each other after a few years of marriage. वो गाड़ी सेल हो ही जाती है. Don't worry.
Thank you. Thank you. We have so many calls. It's so difficult to handle
Yeah.
today.
Let's talk about some numbers if
Still,
you want.
Shweta ji is here. We are trying our best. The maximum we can be a support for everyone. Hello, you're live with Shweta ji.
Yeah, hi, this is Chandan Somaya.
Chandan? Chandan?
Yes, this is Chandan. I had one
C-H-A-N.
question.
You're spelling again. C-H-A-N-A-N-D-A-N?
Yes, CHANDAN.
Okay,
My date of birth is 31st July 1983.
31st July 1983. What's your last name? Somaya.
Yeah, SOMA
S-O-M-A
YY.
O-O-I-A. What is your question?
SOMA YY actually. Y. Y for you.
Double Y. So Maya, who has put this double Y?
So my question is, what would be a good name for me? Mostly I face a lot of difficulties in my professional life.
And why did you put double Y? She's asking.
Double Y, because this is how we spelled it from the beginning.
Okay, that's his
There's no
childhood
particular
name.
reason for that.
Okay.
Chandan, your birth date is 4, which I just told you all is a bit struggling number. So your name is lucky. That's good. Chandan Somaya is a lucky name. I would like you to write Chandan every day 24 times. Where are you calling from?
Where are you calling from? Where are you calling from?
I'm calling from Pune.
You have a big fan following, I should say. और कितने followers हैं आपके श्वेता जी? आपके तो मतलब everybody is still
I thought they will all be sleeping. I put it on my social media, but imagining के भी सब सोए होंगे.
we have calls from USA, Canada, from Netherlands, Australia, India, and it's just like going crazy.
Okay. Chandan, your name is very lucky. Don't worry.
We follow her rigorously.
How nice. And you're in such a good field, Shweta ji. So proud of you.
Thank you.
Yeah.
So Chandan, start celebrating your birthday on 30th of July every year. Your name is good. I don't know, is he still online?
Yeah, he's there.
Chandan, what is your wife's date of birth?
Chandan, what's your wife's date of birth?
12th October.
Okay, 12th October. Year?
1981.
1981.
So I would like you to take her partner with you. Don't do any business by yourself. If you are doing the hard work, it's okay, but she should be a partner with you. Okay? So every day you write Chandan and you will come out of this 83, 203, 13. See, now your age is how much right now? 37. Your good time starts. Your good time has just started.
So your good time has just started. So smile and everything will be fine.
Yes.
Thank you.
Okay. Any name change or his name is fine?
No name change. No name change. You're lucky with that double Y, otherwise I would have added it.
So we have so many messages and
You want me to let us talk some other things for people who are listening, because if we only take callers, then the others will.
Yeah, because you can see online she has given you a reply, so you can see online and check our show. She is replying everyone. We have a caller. Hello.
Hello.
Yes, you're live with Shweta ji. Oh,
Yeah. I want to ask a question from ma'am.
Yes. Please put you're watching our show. Can you just mute that, because that is also coming.
Sure.
From where you're calling?
I'm Ari Kumar. My date of birth is 30th April 1968.
30th April 1968, Vaishali Kumar. From where you're calling, ma'am?
And I'm speaking from New York.
Okay.
Vaishali Kumar.
Yeah.
Kumar, she said?
Kumar.
Okay, and 30th April 1968.
Yeah, she
What she
wants
wants
to know
to know?
about her health, right?
Health and my work also, my
Health
business
and her
too.
work.
I don't think you should worry much about your health. Your health is totally depending on your mind. 30 April means you are a person who don't like to depend on others, especially for money. So that is eating you
Yeah,
up.
yeah.
Maybe in this lockdown, seeing the world conditions, you are a little bit upset. But don't do that. I'll give you a remedy. Just put W in your name. Vaishali, keep it same Vaishali, and in Kumar you make it Kuumar. Keep doing whatever you're doing, have a positive attitude. Let me tell you one thing, Vaishali, come what may, how much ever money you require, you have always got it from childhood and you will always get it in future also. So don't ever worry about your money and spoil your health. Okay?
Okay.
Yeah.
You're
Thank you,
good.
ma'am.
Okay, thanks.
So, so many calls. Oh my God. You are so much in demand. I feel the way you help people and they love you so much because of that. So,
I am so blessed. I don't know what God saw in my family. My father, literally 35, 40 years, he had nothing. And he studied this science, and then all these things happened. My brother Sanjay B. Jumani is a very big name in this field. I am not only a big name, but in big size also, as you can see me.
no,
Everything is
you look
good.
very pretty. Yes, you're live
I
with
just
Shweta ji.
Hi, my name is Preeti Ghosh and I have a
One second, Preeti and last name
Gajjar. My maiden name is Preeti Gajjar
Preeti Gajjar. From where you're calling, ma'am?
from Nashville.
From Nashville. She's calling Preeti Gajjar. And what's your date
Yes,
of birth?
2075,
Come again, 20?
21st May
21st May.
75.
21st May 1975, right?
Correct.
And what's your question, ma'am?
So I have been a singer, professional singer for a long time, and my maiden name is Preeti Gajjar, Tigajjar. And
Preeti,
my
na? Is it
married
Preeti
name
or
is
something else?
Ghosh, which is Ghosh.
Your name is Preeti. Your name is Preeti Ghosh, Ghosh Ghosh. And our question is like she's a singer, and you want to know about your future, right? In
Yeah, so
singing.
should I keep Preeti Gajjar or Preeti Ghosh for my
Oh,
singing name?
Oh, she should write Preeti Gajjar or Preeti Ghosh for her singing career.
acha. Priti?
Priti?
Yes.
Yeah.
You can add a S in the Ghosh, and Preeti Ghosh is good enough. But if you want to go back to your maiden name, since you're single and you are no more a Ghosh, no point carrying it. So I would like you to note down your spelling: Preti double Ti, Preti, and keep Gajjar as it is, Gajjar. Singing will be a good thing for you, but right now you are in your 35th year. So 36th onwards will be good for you. But in a couple of years, more around 2022, you will really have a major breakthrough. But if you write Preeti every day 24 times, Pretti, I'm sure from now only all your life will start moving in the right direction. Wear a lot of purple and blue. Your lucky colors are purple and blue. Being a number three, you should also wear a stone called amethyst or keep it in your office somewhere. You will get it very easily. It's a very easily available stone, amethyst. So number three is a number of money you can get by God's grace. Singing also is a very good career for you. All the Paishins are ruled by number three, and there are so many Paishins in the entertainment industry, singing, painting, music, dancing. Big money is in store for you, Preeti. Make the changes I told you.
Preeti, you can see live also because we are getting So many calls. Like
I know, I could hardly hear anything.
you
but I
can
was
check
like,
our
what
show.
is
You are
it?
watching our live show. You can see what she
Right.
has replied you, because I am getting like maybe 50 calls at a time. I don't know how do we
I, I
handle this.
I just saw. I would like to talk about Anupam Kherji because right now in America he was a very very big name and he's making our country proud.
Yeah.
So I would like to talk about because I can see his picture with me reflecting over there.
Yeah, he's there
So
in New
we
York. You are
did it.
absolutely right. I have one caller from. Hello.
Hello.
Yes.
Hello, ma'am. My name is Neva, and I'm calling from New York.
Hello.
Your full name, please.
Full name. Hello. I had one call from Ankita Patel actually. Before Neva, I'll take your call later. Ankita Patel, what's your date of birth? Hello, Ankita. Your date of birth?
Oh, my date of birth is
July
July 18, 1987.
18, 1987. And what is your question?
I have a question. Like, I stopped my career, everything after my baby. So, what should I do after, like, after 1 year, or when I have to start my career? Because right now is like I have a mental situations. Like, I'm thinking a lot, and I cannot concentrate any work.
From where you're calling, ma'am?
I'm calling from New York.
Yeah. She's from New York and she wants to know about her future. Her baby is young and she doesn't know what to do and she's a little bit in depression. Yeah.
Ankita, let me tell you one thing. You share your birth date with Priyanka Chopra, who's again there in your country now.
Yes.
We were, in fact, my brother Sanjay Chumani had said at least 15 years back that she will be getting married in her 36th year. We were the ones to tell her कि India से ज़्यादा दूर आप अच्छा करोगे because water sign Cancerians do better when they are away from their country. Like Katrina is doing away from her country, she's in India, and Priyanka is doing, she's away from her country, India to America. Anupam Kherji is a water sign, he's a Piscean. And long years back, he was like Ekta Kapoor, one of the first clients who came to us. We made it Anupam P. Kher, and today he's rubbing shoulders with Robert De Niro. So this is what happens with a slight change, and it was the same Anupam ji. He's made us clean bowl right from Saransh. So there's nothing to take away from the hard work and his lovely comic timing. I mean, he's the best comedian I've ever seen in my life, and all he's so good at his work. But then little bit luck definitely helps. In your case, Ankita, your problem first of all is just you have had a baby, and you are a number 9 who cannot sit in one place. Then being a Cancerian, you're also ruled by 2. Now, 2 number people are very emotional, very sensitive, and they easily go into depression. So, you just delivered a baby, you should not think of anything else. What will I do next year? How will I do what? That's not your problem. Take care of your child. Even if you just leave 1 or 2 good children in this world, you're doing a very good thing for the future of the world. So, please concentrate
That's
on.
I have to proud of you, but proud of myself also. But the problem is like when I'm still not working anything, so my mind is working another way. Like I'm not doing anything. This is the time to pursue my career and everything. But this like I'm just sitting down. So that's the thinking I have right now.
You are
I'm
doing right
worried
now.
about it.
Yeah, 1 second.
Right now, you are doing the greatest job of taking care of your child.
Yes.
Everybody is in a loss. People's salaries are getting cut. People don't have money. You cannot think of anything right now for the next 2 years. This year, the only thing we should think about is getting out alive from the mess the world is in. I will help you. You change your attitude because I am completely changing your spelling, Ankita. A-N-K, double E-T-A-A. So I have made it A-N-K, double E-T, double A, and in Patel also I'm adding one extra A. Or rather, I will make Patel, I'm going to make a lot of changes in Patel. P-A-T-A-I-L.
Viewers, don't be upset. We'll take your calls
No,
one by one because together we cannot take anything. Lot of our viewers are getting
no,
upset.
we'll do another show. We'll do another show
We
next
will
week.
have
Don't worry.
Shweta ji with us again. Don't worry,
Yes.
and you
We'll
can
have
send
we'll
your
have our
message in
exact.
the inbox. We will ask her the
And
question before she leave the show. Okay?
so many of you are now listening. Like my YouTube page, subscribe to my channel, follow me on Instagram, see my website. You can always contact me online. See, here I'm giving you all one or two tips. Here I can just give you one or two, just very casually I can help you. But when you have taken a consultation with me, then it is going to be a one to
We
one.
have viewers already texting us. We need to have part two. We'll have too many parts. Don't worry, viewers. Shweta ji is here, and of course, she want to help everyone. That is the reason God has blessed her with this knowledge of numerology, of course. And you are
And
inclined
please
towards
visit
this
my
field.
website, guys, jumani.com. Have a look at my website, jumani.com. My contact details are there. We can have a face to face consultation on Skype where you can discuss all your problems with
Of
me in
course.
a much better way. I
Sure.
just put
And
a last week.
her name you told Ankita. She need to change double ETA, right?
Yes, EETAA. And in Patel, I have made it PATAIL. Now
Okay.
you will say, नहीं बाकी सब पटेल ऐसा है और मेरा पटेल ऐसा है. So don't worry. God forbid if some problem comes, our relatives run away first. So
Yeah.
don't worry how their spelling is and how your spelling is. You take care of yourself.
Please change
Every
your
day you will
spelling.
write Ankita. Write a 24 number, some part of your body. I showed you, I write it on the palm. You
Yeah.
can write in your room also. I am sure you are wearing a lot of dark colors. You love red, maroon, and dark pink. You're very fond of these colors. I want you to write 24 in your bedroom. Okay? So paste it on the south wall. You will get a lot of peace. Take care of your baby. Be a good mother now. Here, one more thing I would like to tell everybody. What project you have got in your hand right now? उसको तो ठीक से करो. जब
Yeah.
next year आएगा, when your baby is grown up, when you can think of something else, कल के सपने कल देखो ना. What is in your hand today?
Do that.
Enjoy that. Have
So we
fun
have
doing
one
that.
caller. One call I've taken from India also. India वाले तो आपसे इंडिया में भी कनेक्ट कर सकते हैं, but still as you're live and they want to talk to you. So okay, hi. You're live with Shweta ji. Hello.
Hello.
Yes. What's your name and your spelling, please? I'm saying name and your date of birth. Hello.
Yes.
Can you hear me? Your name and date of birth, please.
Yes, my name is
Take another call. Take
Her name is
it.
Ekta Deepak. And what's your date
Okay.
of birth?
Ekta Deepak Sujanani.
Ekta Deepak Sujnani. And what's your date of birth?
Date of birth is 13th of December 1981.
13 December 1981. And what is your question?
Yeah, my question is related to career and health.
She wants to know about her health
Ekta
and
Deepak
career.
Sujanani.
Yeah.
Date of birth is 13 December 1981.
Yeah, we got it.
What do you want to know?
Her
Career.
career
What are you
and
doing?
health.
What do you do?
What are you doing?
right
Ekta, what are you doing? Are you working?
Yes, I was working, currently out of job.
Okay. So now you need a job. You need to make your life better. Your health has to be better, and all these things the new Ekta is going to do for you. So from the
I was working,
Sujnani,
currently I'm out of job.
Now she's
keep
not
your
working. She's out of job. Yeah.
so keep Ekta as it is. From Sujnani, I would like you to remove one A. So let it look funny, as I always say. If you want to make money, let your name look funny. So SUJNNI. Just make it SUJNNI. Now, Ekta Sujnani, you keep writing 24 times. Whenever you're applying for a new job,
Yes.
new job when you're applying,
Okay.
push this name and then you see how the changes come in your life. On your resume, this name should be there.
Thank you.
Okay.
We have so many callers, so many people are texting. One caller, she has texted me. उनका नाम है सूर्या बेदी, SURYA, and last name is BEDI, and date of birth is 26 October 1998. He is in Nashville, and वो जानना चाहते हैं पढ़ाई और अपने फ्यूचर के बारे में.
सूर्या को पढ़ाई से ज्यादा डिशुम करना चाहिए. If I'm not mistaken, he is going to be in some kind of sports and sports activities. He is a number 8 and a Scorpio. So there is a chances, and when I add his whole number, it comes to number 9. So maybe he's a gymnastic or bodybuilder, cyclist or something in sports. So that is what he should continue doing. Name is okay. He doesn't really require any much changes in his spelling. But yes, physical activity may he should in fitness, adventure sports, gym.
No,
All
but
are
he wants to ask, like, he's finishing his graduation. So what about his future? That's what he's asking.
frankly speaking, I really don't know anybody's future. I don't know mine. I make my future every single day. As I told you, I know this year, if you see my New Year predictions, we knew that China, because of China, we are going to all be in a deep problem. But even
Yeah,
we
yeah,
would
one
not
second.
say Corona.
Yeah.
So we know many things, but don't ask the future. You're going to make your future every day with your hard work and the good luck which we are guiding you. So if you're having a future in the fitness industry, anything related to fitness industry, it will be good because you are a sportsman. And if you go and sit down in an office, then how are you going to be happy?
Awesome. Oh, hello, you're live with Shweta ji. Hello. One second. Let me put you on speaker. Yes, from where you're calling, your name and date of birth, please.
Yes, this is Anshuman Ghosh, spelled as AUNSHUMAN, Anshuman.
Yeah.
GHOSH.
GHOSH. From where you're calling?
Yes, from Tennessee.
From Tennessee. What
Yes,
is your question, sir?
Yes, my date of birth is January 29th, 1979.
January 29, 1979. And what is your question, sir?
Question is, ma'am, anything changes to my names to help with the career? A lot of things coming up in front. Trying to understand what will be best to change in name to support with career and next steps during all this uncertain period.
Anshuman, staying there is good for you, away from home country. Anshuman, I would like you to add an extra S. ANSSHUMAN.
Okay. Sorry,
Ghosh. A lot of changes are coming in the Ghosh. What is your father's name, Anshuman?
What is the name of your father? What is the name of your father?
Oh, my father's name is Parth Sarathi.
Parth
Sarathi.
Sarathi.
Yes. Parth
Okay,
Sarathi.
so I will make some changes in Ghosh, which are not really looking nice. Even I'm not happy. But then, if you, as I said, you want to make money, you have to let your name look funny. ANSSHUMAN, and Ghosh is going to become GHHUSH. Goosh, something goosh.
Yeah. So kindly do
Do
those
that.
changes, she's saying, and that will be good for you. Thank you, sir.
Okay.
This is really so like viewers, I would really say that please you are checking you're live with us, so please wait
Just let
till
me
the
know
time
when
we
this is
finish one
Rashmi.
caller, and then you please call one by one.
Rashmi,
Ji.
just give me 5 minutes before we let me know 5 minutes before we are ending, because
We'll
I
take
want to
only
give genuine
last
tips.
5 calls we will be taking, and after that we'll have conversation. Only last 5 calls, because you'll be with us on our show, so we can always connect with our people. Yes, you're live with Shweta ji.
Hi.
Yes.
Hi, Rashmi ji. I'm a big fan of yours. You are a real light for us in coronavirus days. Just wanted to say that before I say anything else.
Thank you so much.
Thank you
Yeah.
for keeping us lively during these times. So I'm Bharat. I'm calling from New York.
Okay.
So and my date of birth is 8th May 1991. So just want to
8th
get
of May
my
1991, and your name is Bharat. Can you spell it?
Bharat Kumar.
BHARAT.
BHARAT.
Okay, and KUMAR. I got it. Yeah.
Yeah.
Bharat Kumar. And what is your question, sir?
I actually have two questions, so would request you to please take that. One is I am looking to settle down in New York. I am actually from India, but I want to settle here. So just want to see whether I can do that. And secondly, want to check whether when can I start planning my family and when can I have kids.
You can check our answer online, and I'll
Are you
take another
married,
caller.
Bharat?
Yeah.
Bharat, are you married?
Bharat, are you married?
Yes, I am married.
What's your wife's birthday?
Your wife's birthday,
My
please.
15th September
15th September
1990.
1990.
Okay. So, babies, you can wait for a couple of years. And what's your father's name, Bharat?
What's your father's name?
Anil Kumar.
Anil Kumar.
So, I want you to start writing your name as Bharat A.K. Kumar. Add that A.K. in between always. Bharat A.K. Kumar. Change your name all over the place, and this will bring luck for you. And don't do anything without the help of your wife. You're lucky to have her. All women are Lakshmi ji. Anyway, all men, you all should understand that. Your wife is the Lakshmi. But all number 6 wives or lucky number, what are the lucky numbers? 1, 3, 5, and 6. They are the lucky numbers. Bharat, you should go to Hanuman temple every Saturday as much as possible. That is really going to help you. So this new spelling is going to get you your green card or whatever you're looking for.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thanks. Yeah, we have calls from worldwide, I should say, and so many callers. I'll take third call, and yes, you're live with Shweta ji.
Hi, Shweta.
Hi.
Yes,
So, my name is Sharmila Captain, and I've actually been with Sanjay Jumani ji a few years ago. So my name used to be SHARMILA, and he had made it into double L. So I just wanted to know, sort of from you, for the going on, what I need to do. He had suggested if I want to change my number, I should, but I did not. But I did change my email address and everything with the way he said.
Now, if you eat half the medicine, you are definitely going to get half the faida. So I suggest you.
She's saying if you'll take half the medicine, you'll take half the faida. That's what she's saying.
I see. Okay.
So please follow him blindly, whatever suggestions he's giving you.
But I did change my signature like he had told me.
Yeah. Change everywhere. Only then you get the 100% result. No, whatever we do it properly. Half-heartedly, kuch nahi hota hai kaam.
Is there something you can suggest me now for?
All these things, right? 24, wear a lot of blue color, white, yellow, orange, light colors, and whatever he has suggested you, get it organized. Follow it blindly.
Okay. Do you need my date of birth, or is that okay with just whatever?
No, but it's already a time. It's all right.
It's been a long time. A lot of changes in life has happened after that.
Oh, great.
What's your date of birth?
May 29, 74.
May 29.
Oh, that's mine also.
Really?
Also.
Wow.
But I'm 66.
1974, right? Mm-hmm. Yeah. And your name is Sharmila. SHAR?
MILA.
Yeah. Captain.
So he's done a good job. He's my brother. He's done an excellent job. And we have already, as you said, Adha Dawai Khake bhi you have benefited. So now please have the whole medication, whatever he has prescribed.
So she's asking if any change or anything she needs to do now.
Yeah, whatever he has done. I don't know what's her surname. I can't hear. But if
what's your surname?
It's Captain.
No, she has already consulted. So we should be taking some other callers who.
Yeah. See,
she's already met my brother, and she's taken the advice.
Your question. Thank you, and I'll take another caller. Yeah.
Follow everything blindly, bus.
So, if CAPTAIN is her last name, and she just want to ask, like, is anything to be done? Like, any suggestions you can give her?
Same suggestions. First follow the first suggestion, then you can go for second suggestion.
Yeah, correct. So that's good. Your brother is also very well known, and I'm so happy.
My brother is a much bigger name than me. He is world class. He's too good, and his predictions are so amazing. I don't know. Somehow, I think my family is just blessed. My father, brother, and me.
I can
We just,
see the way people love you in India also, and they are like really following you because they trust you completely. That's what I feel, and it's great to know that actually.
we are blessed. God has seen
Collins,
something
can
in
you
us.
please text us? We will forward your messages to her, and she can, of course, connect with you. And just I'll take one more caller. She's been calling me
Yeah,
since
but
starting
I
of
need
the
2 minutes to
show.
give everybody the general tips. Also, for that, I would be
Yeah,
requiring few.
just the last call because that was the first call. She's been calling me non-stop, so I couldn't take her call. I'll just take her call and then we'll continue. She's from Nashville. But it's really nice, and I see that it's a great difference in people life, like just with the numbers
I
and
just
with the
got
health tips.
Sharmila.
That's
Just
what
got
I'm
Sharmila.
checking.
Who said that it has changed her life so much. Little spelling change. Just now, the last caller, Sharmila, said that.
Yes,
Though she has not used all the suggestions, but she said that her life has changed after that. So
yes,
we are changing the person. We are bringing your name on a lucky number. We are bringing on a good vibration. Definitely, things have to change.
of course, of course. So if she'll call, I'll take her call. And अब आप मुझे ये बताइए कि जैसे और भी आम प्रॉब्लम्स होती है लोगों की लाइफ में, उनके घर में कभी कभी फैमिली इश्यूज रहते हैं बच्चों के संग, तो ऑफ कोर्स मैरिज का तो अभी आपसे बात करके पता चल गया है दैट दिस इज ऑल्सो अ ग्रेट हेल्प, एंड जॉब के लिए आपने जैसे बताया, बट और क्या चीज़ों में हमें न्यूमरोलॉजी से हेल्प मिल सकती है?
There was a class 5 child who was very good in tennis. मेरे कहने पे उसको स्कूल से निकाला, put him in tennis full time, and he turned out to be India's first under 14 tennis champion, world record.
Wow.
Cancer patients have become all right. Childless couples have become all right. I had a couple, husband
Yeah.
is having an affair, wife
Yeah.
is having an affair. Both of them come to me at different times. I don't know that these two are connected in any way. Then again, after 6 months, they both come back to me together and tell me, Shwetaji, I was having an affair, she was having an affair, we were on the verge of breaking up. Both of us came to you, and now we are together, and she's expecting, and next year she's going to have a baby. So these things happen. One more case is very funny. He lives in Australia. This client of mine, he came to India, met me, changed his spelling and all that. It's funny, that's why I said I don't know whether I should say it online also.
Yeah.
And he just went, and after 6 months, he brings his friends and so many other people. His family was in Australia. He kept coming to India for work.
Yeah.
He told me, ma'am, I travel a lot, so I am into many bad habits which my wife doesn't know. This he told me in his third and fourth meeting with me,
Yeah.
not the first time. And he said, I don't know, you changed my spelling, and I started hating all these things. And I thought, "Ki, what the hell am I doing? My wife is working hard so much, they're trusting me. And I just don't feel like doing any of the nonsense I've been doing all these years." And it was so nice. I mean, a person confessing, being a man, he's confessing to me that, I used to do these things, and all of a sudden this has happened. So there's no end to what the numerology can do for you, what your spelling can do for you, what a lucky name can do for you. There's no end to it. Once you know your right numbers, you know your right colors, you know what is good for you, what is bad for you. I always compare myself nowadays to the Google map.
Okay.
Because the Google map is absolutely free. You can download it on your computer, phone. Nobody charges you anything for it, because she will only show you a way. So your date of birth, your lucky name, your lucky colors are going to show you a way. Follow this, don't do this. This is bad for you, this is good for you. We know the career of children. So once a child is newborn, first of all, so that's the best time to consult. But we have got 80-year-old uncles also who have come to us But the people who actually really need us are all those who are born on dates making 4s and 8s. They have a struggling life. Like I tell you, Tabu is my favorite ever, most favorite ever actor.
Okay.
Actor, the way she performs, there's nobody like her. But she is not where she should be. Urmila Matondkar is not where she should be.
Yes.
Juhi Chawla is so amazing, but she was never number one. She could never become Madhuri Dixit. So it's very important. In fact, today is Madhuri Dixit's birthday, 15th of May. She's my all-time favorite. I love her to the moon and back, and again 10 times I can go there for her. So she is born on 15th, a lucky date. She is a Taurin, again number 6. So when the numbers are correct, then she can do a dhak dhak, and the somebody else does dhak dhak, maybe better looking than her, but she cannot do so good. Unfortunately, we know the sudden demise of Sri Devi ji, who herself was born on 13th, number 4. Her name tag total to number 4. Rishi Kapoor ji again number 4. I mean, see, he went at natural ke chalo bimari tha, but I think it was really not his age. He could have survived a few more years, and it's like that. So, 4s and Kishore Kumar, how can I forget Kishore Kumar? He was a number 4.
Oh.
Your Obama is a number 4, but he's a Leo.
Yeah.
Being a Leo, number 1 ruled him. So everywhere, we really see that something great. All these people I mentioned, like Kishore Kumarji also, there is greatness, but there was not luck.
Yeah.
His married life was upset. He has given so much to the world. So any of you who guys are listening, and if you are born on 4 and 8, and you're wondering, I'm doing so much hard work and nothing is happening, you should contact me. We have to make proper spelling changes for you, because we cannot change our date of birth.
Of course.
We are born the day we are born. But at least नाम का tool है हमारे हाथ में, spelling changes है.
Yes.
Here, before concluding, I would like to give a few things in general to all of you.
Yeah.
Whatever is your date of birth, 1, 3, 5 and 6 are lucky numbers. Jeff Bezos is a number 3. Mukesh Ambani is a number 1.
Yeah.
Bill Gates is a number 1. So 1, 3, 5, 6 guys, they are into big time money. So we can use their dates to do important things. 2 and 7 are artists like Dilip Kumar, Amitabh Bachchan, Shah Rukh Khan, Rajesh Khanna. They are all superstars.
Yeah.
They are into acting. Karan Johar, Katrina Kaif. They are all number 7.
Yeah.
So 2 and 7 should be into music, painting, dancing, entertainment, those industries.
Yeah.
5 can do everything. Like Mr. Trump is doing everything. So he's a number 5, and he's also he's a businessman. He was a businessman, but now he's reached over there. So 5 does almost everything. 9 is fighter, like Salman Khan, Bruce Lee, Jackie Chan, Muhammad Ali, Akshay Kumar. Now here, Akshay Kumar, we use a term called Jumanified. If you have taken a consultation with either me or my brother, then you are Jumanified. But we feel proud to say that we are Akified. Right from work, Namaste London, Rustam, Toilet, Padman, everywhere Akshay Kumar has been using numerology to the fullest, and see where it has literally taken him. So, numerology is a very beautiful science. पहले ज़माने में they used to say, मेहनत करो, hard work. There's nothing like hard work. I say everybody works hard, but you need luck.
Yes.
If you're lucky, your hard work is going to pay off. If you're not lucky, then your hard work also doesn't pay off much. So luck in today's day and age, we all require, with so much competition, so many things happening around the world. So luck is very important.
Absolutely.
So in numbers, 4 and 8, as I told you, are not so lucky. 1, 3, 5, 6 are very good. 2 and 7 are creative. 5 can do everything, and number 9 is into action. Like I told that one child that if you're a sportsman and you sit down and do your office work, you will be disturbed. So our numerology can guide you just by knowing your date of birth. We can guide you where you can go, what is good for you. Now I'll come to my favorite number, 24. Everybody says why 24? Because from 70 years we have been doing it. My father, brother and me. If you take the total body of work is hard work of 70 years, 24 is the most beautiful number. Blue is the most beautiful color. Irrespective of your date of birth, you can use 24 as your lucky number. Okay. The people who are born on dates making 1, 10, 19 or 28 should use even number 1. They can try using 37 or 46. 28 is not a good octave. 37 or 46. Instead of writing 24, they can write 37 or 46. This is for number 1. Baki all numbers can blindly use number 24.
Okay.
So here again I would like to remind you about my video, because we don't have so much time and I cannot say so many things. In India it is sleep time. So
No, I don't think so. It's sleep time. Everybody is awake. I'm like so many call, and of course we'll have one more session with you for sure, because I would really love to have you. And of course it'd be great if you connect with them, and our viewers can get a lot of relief in their mind. You know, that's what it is.
So my one video, do go and watch on YouTube. It is called 24 Do's and Don'ts.
Sure.
In that, a photo frame, where to keep the mirror. I believe a lot in Vastu.
Okay.
But I specialize in numerology.
Okay.
So don't consult me for Vastu, but consult me for numerology. But I know a little Vastu things which I have guided. So do go and watch that 24 Do's and Don'ts.
Okay.
And tum log American log, please stop wearing black. The West has been into so much of black. वो हमारे देश में भी आ चुका है. Maybe if you go to see, our country is not wearing as much black as your country is wearing. That is why you will see when there is a recession also, we are not suffering so much. Today in Corona also, we are not suffering so much compared to other countries. Because here we believe in a lot of these things,
Of course.
So please stop wearing black color. Because mourning का कलर है ना, आप लोग मौत पे भी तो वही कलर पहनते हो. तो अगर आप किसी के मौत पे ब्लैक पहनते हो, and every day you're sitting wearing black, are you going to a death every day?
Yeah.
Are you mourning? So if you want to wear the color of mourning, तुम्हारे घर में क्या आएगा? फिर वही आएगा, फिर रोते रहो, फिर बोलो मत कि क्यों गड़बड़ हो रहा है और ये साल मेरा कैसा अच्छा जाएगा. मोर्निंग के कपड़े पहनोगे तो क्या अच्छा होने वाला है.
सही बात है. Absolutely right, and it was such an informative session. It's great to have you on our show, and even I really enjoyed, learned a lot from you. You're a wonderful person and so grounded. And I see a lovely picture of yours with Shah Rukh Khan at your back. Very nice picture. Thank you so much for being part of this show, and keep smiling. You're very nice. Thank you so much. It was great.
I loved being here. I loved being here, and I would like to really thank Gaurav Tiwari. He took real great effort. He didn't leave me till I said okay, and I'm glad I said okay.
Thank you so much. Great talking to you. Thank you. Bye-bye. मैं हूँ रश्मि बेदी. हमें उम्मीद है ये शो आपको पसंद आया होगा. लेटेस्ट वीडियो के लिए देखते रहिए माई ड्रीम टीवी USA, और पसंद आने पर लाइक, शेयर और सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें. थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग माई ड्रीम टीवी USA.